Hello and welcome along, my name is Jono, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this Halo 3 M6C Magnum that I've designed. So the main body of this pistol is made up of about 18 separate parts, I think, maybe slightly more. It's got a functional magazine, as you can see here, it slides in, and it also had a functioning slide, just springs back on springs. You can see the bullet from the magazine on the inside, and the barrel is hollow, so you can see it from the other end as well. Now it will never fire, it's not a real gun. Moving along, I also designed a little Halo Reach style attachment that fits on underneath using these little pins, and that gives the whole gun quite a different look. But what happens if you happen to be an ODST who needs to have silenced weaponry? Well, it can help you out there too. Introducing the SOCOM attachment. This attachment just clips onto the front like so. It's got a tactical rail underneath, which in theory will fit standard gun parts underneath. And just got to remove the magazine here. Also has an extended magazine to go with it. And there you go, your own tactical silenced SOCOM pistol from Halo 3 ODST. Now there's also some other things you can do with it. I've made some attachments that are based off the Halo Legends story Headhunters. Now they seem to be using a different type of silencer to the ODSTs, and there you have it. Now I've also done a little bit of design on my own stuff. You can take off the cutlass guard, as I like to call it, underneath there, slot on just a little trigger guard. Then I quite like it if you slap on the Reach style laser sight underneath, and you get quite a different looking pistol. Looks like something out of Cyberpunk. Barely even looks like the Halo pistol anymore. So I've spent a lot of time and I've had an awful lot of fun making these files. I'm really happy with the point that they're at the moment, and I think they're about ready for release to all of you guys. So there you have it, a fully modular replica of Halo 3's pistol with all of the features. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't, let me know, I guess. Comment what your thoughts were down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you do make these files, I'd love to see them. Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook, flip me a message and show me the progress, show me what you come up with. I'd love to see it. I'd very much appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, commented. Again, sorry, but I've just launched in the channel. I love the support. Secondly, if you want to download this for yourself, I've put all the links down below. You can pick up them for free on Etsy or the Google Drive folder link below. Additionally, I've put in my Etsy account, and that has a donation page, if you like, where you can buy the files from there, but that's not compulsory. You can just download them for free. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll bring you some more content soon.